This installation video is a supplement to your StepSafe Gate Instruction Manual. 1. Measure the width of the opening. Refer to your instruction manual to determine how many extensions to use based on the width of your opening. 2. If no extensions are being used, skip to step 3. To add extensions, lay the gate on a flat surface. Insert extension pins into holes on the outside of the gate frame. The longer ends of the pins go into the gate frame, the shorter ends go into the extension. Slip extensions over the pins. Some configurations require support brackets. Refer to your instruction manual to determine the correct configuration. 3. Screw the tension knobs onto the bolts. Slide bolts into the holes on the outside of the extension or gate frame. When using 1-bar extensions, the bolt will not slide completely into the extension. 4. Place the gate in the opening so that the bottom of the gate frame is completely flat on the floor. To secure the gate, fasten the wall cups to the wall by aligning them with the bolt. Use tape pads to secure the wall cups. Additionally, use screws for extra security as well as at the top of stairs. 5. Tighten both of the bottom tension knobs by turning them clockwise at the same time. Tighten both of the upper tension knobs by turning them at the same time until there is a 1 mm gap in the locking mechanism. The swing control stopper can be used to allow the gate to only swing in one direction. At the top of the stairs, the gate door should never swing out over the stairs. 6. Disassemble the swing control stopper by removing all 4 screws with a screwdriver. Determine which direction the gate should open. Place the small vertical arm on the side you want the gate to open. Secure the large rectangular plate of the swing control stopper to the small vertical arm by inserting the large rectangular plate into the vertical channels. Secure with 4 screws using a screwdriver. To open the gate, using one hand, place your thumb on the top latch and grip the gate with your fingers. Slide the top latch back. Lift up the gate door to open. Gate automatically closes behind you unless the hold open feature is used. Always check that the gate is properly closed and secured. To make use of the hold open feature, simply swing the door slightly past 90 degrees open in either direction. The door will remain open until it's swung closed.